Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Plug the Futronic scanner into a USB 2.0 port and grant administrator access when prompted. Install the official driver. Once done, restart the machine so drivers initialize. Open the enrollment utility provided by Futronic. Make sure the correct device is selected in settings. Position the finger flat and centered on the glass. Begin capture immediately and watch the live preview to verify image quality. If the preview is fuzzy, clean the plate and retry. You will capture multiple impressions to build a robust template. Press the finger down, rotate slightly between reads, and capture 2 to 3 clean impressions. In the SDK, raise gain or reduce brightness to improve ridge contrast. This helps minutiae extraction. If prints are too dry, lightly moisten the fingertip. If too wet, pat dry. Save each sample only after the quality meter exceeds the minimum threshold. Once the template is generated, label it with the correct user ID and metadata. Perform an immediate verification. Ask the user to scan the enrolled finger and confirm a successful 1-1 match. If the match fails, re-enroll using different finger orientation and adjusted pressure. Sometimes lighter or firmer contact yields better minutiae. Update firmware and drivers if persistent issues occur. Firmware mismatches can cause capture errors. As a troubleshooting tip, check the SDK error code and recalibrate the sensor. Clean the platen and try a re-enroll before assuming hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.